We did it.
We did it. We're here.
We are here. It's Jackie and Gio. We are live, local, and fun making right now, but we're actually beauty making.
Beauty making. Because sometimes I don't like the way I look in the mirror.
That was deep.
Yeah, right. So anyway, we're at ProMD Health right here at 2023 Emmorton Rd in Bel Air, right across from the big empty field on Plumtree.
That soon will be a Costco.
That's what we hear. Rumor, allegedly. We'll just say rumor or allegedly.
We can't confirm or deny that information
even though we have secret sources. So
but it might be a thing,
which
be a thing. Would be amazing for you guys.
Shop and then get your Botox.
Right.
There you go.
Right.
Shop talks. No. Wait, but there's a difference, right? Shop Botox and fillers. We got to learn about that anyway.
Let's introduce our friend.
Yes. Who is this?
He's like ready to get his makeover on right now.
Yeah, I'm tired of the way I look. Come on. All right, so should we tell them about Amanda? What's your name? Is it Amanda?
It is.
See?
Oh my gosh, you guys.
I got a name right.
All those long-term followers know I was waiting. I didn't want to say it because I was waiting to put him on the spot because sometimes he'll be like, we're here. And I'm like, you got it. We're really proud of him right now.
You don't remember people's names?
I'm terrible with names.
It's the worst thing
I actually
ever.
have a band called Bad with Names.
No, you don't.
No, but there is a band called Bad with Names. And that's not a promo for them, but there's such a thing.
So what are we doing here? What is ProMD? Because I feel like a lot of you probably drive right by it all the time. Who doesn't take 924 for something?
Right. So ProMD Health, what is it?
So it is a med spa. So we offer Botox and filler, but we're much more than that. So we do skincare, facials, we do lasers, we do weight loss consults, and then we can get you on a weight loss program. We do hormone replacement therapy for men and women. We do waxing, dermaplaning, like all the fun stuff.
All right. Laser?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
That's like whole body, like
Whole body, laser hair removal. Yes.
I love
From
that.
head down.
Okay, so do you have like packages that would incorporate like all of that?
So what we do is, the one good thing about us is we offer a free consult. So when you come in, you make your appointment, you sit down, and from head to toe, we go over everything. And then we talk about your needs and what kind of you want to target, because we also do like for men and women, but strictly really men, it's PRP for hair loss.
Okay.
So we start from top to bottom. I wasn't calling you out or anything.
No, but that's why I don't turn my back on the camera.
So we kind of go in, and I always like to deep dive and go over everything that we recommend and what we offer. And then we figure out what that person, like what they're in here for or what bothers them. And then I recommend things. So we start with Botox. Botox is a neuromodulator. It relaxes muscles to smooth fine lines. So it helps with like your forehead. We always get those 11s when we're scaling at our husband or wives or our children. And then filler replaces volume. So I think the biggest thing in this industry is everyone's afraid they're going to look overdone. They're going to look like one of the celebrities that has like the big lips. You can't even recognize that person. Filler is just supposed to make you look refreshed, like you've had a good night's sleep. So as we get older, we lose collagen, we lose fat, we lose bone. So everything starts to hang. So replacing that volume just makes you look like a better you. And when you look better, you feel better.
Absolutely.
This is true.
And I mean, look at this girl. Can you see this face? She's flawless.
And you're a mom, right?
I am a mom. I have a 1.5-year-old and a 3.5-year-old. Little girl and boy, Gianna and Jackson.
Aww.
My son still doesn't sleep through the night, so that's great. And my daughter still sleeps with me.
And you can't even tell.
Yeah.
There you go.
3 hours of sleep.
Oh my goodness.
Well,
wow.
there's proof in the pudding right there.
I mean, you pudding?
No.
Okay. Never mind you.
Wait, so speaking of pudding, weight loss?
Yes. So the biggest thing is, if you are interested in like weight loss or hormone replacement therapy, you would call and make an appointment, because we would first send you out for your labs. So you go to LabCorp or Quest, and then you come in and we sit down with you and we take our time and we look through everything. Your CBC, so your blood count, your cholesterol, all of the things, your vitamin D levels, because vitamin D plays a part in like your sleep, depression, energy. Mm-hmm. We also look at testosterone and estrogen, because men and women both should have both of those things. I think that's the biggest thing, is when people think of testosterone, they think it's just for men. But women need testosterone too, and it helps with your energy, it helps with weight loss, it helps with your libido. So we bring you back in a room, we talk to you about everything, and then we give you the different treatment options, and then we kind of go from there and what works best for that person, not only budget-wise, but comfort level.
Awesome.
And I love that. And if you are somebody who might be like nervous to take that first step, what you just said was really important. Like they're looking at your genetic makeup, they're looking at your blood work, they're looking to make sure they're going to do things that are safe for you and right and you feel good about it. Whether it's something you have invasive options as well as things that are a little less so invasive, and you can kind of tailor that to their individual needs. I think that's huge for somebody that just feels like they need something and they don't know what it is. That's where they come in.
So we recently started offering B12 shots, but we put a sign out, and just from this, people have been coming in and getting B12 shots. B12 shots, naturally, it helps with energy, helps with weight loss. So it's one of those just little things I think people don't even think about, that just getting a B12 shot just really helps make you feel better. So it's like kind of all those things. It doesn't always have to be something invasive like a needle. It can be just something we talk about or a supplement you can take.
And you also have products here too as well.
Yes.
For sale.
Very, very big into products. I never used to be big into products. And then a couple of years ago, I tried, and now I'm obsessed. Medically graded. Stop buying things that are over the counter. Stop buying things that are on TikTok because they're popular. You want something that's medically graded, that actually is going to have to change the cells like DNA. So what we sell here is elastin and Zeo by Obagi. And all of those things, like, they're really just helping to break down your cells, make your skin look better, exfoliate. A lot of people are on a retinol, and they come in and I'm like, why are you just on a retinol? And I think that's the biggest hype, is like, everyone's like, I'm on a retinol, but you also want to be GSR, getting skin ready. You want to be on a good cleanser, a good exfoliator, helps you get rid of like the nitty gritty, the dead skin, a toner, a good hydrator. So it's not just like one product. You need like a whole system to have your face looking good.
Mm.
Oh, I love that.
So it's a good investment. Investment.
Can we see some treatment rooms too?
Yeah.
Or were you going to go with this?
I was actually, why am I stuttering? No. So what I wanted to know was the B12 shots. Like if I want to get one today, is that something I can get today, or I get blood work first?
So B12 shots, we do offer to everybody.
Okay.
So you don't need blood work for that.
All right.
But if you wanted like hormone replacement therapy, yes, I would need your blood work.
Right.
If you wanted something for weight loss, yes. And with that, you would need an appointment, because we would sit down and look at your past medical history, what medications you're on. I will tell you, testosterone, hormone replacement therapy has changed people's lives. It's taken them off depression medication, anti-anxiety medication. It really does help. You just need to be able to invest, because it is a little bit pricey if you think about it, because you not only are going to get testosterone or estrogen, you're also going to get supplements, right? I think everyone should be on a probiotic. People are like, that's so silly. I'm like, it's so good for gut health. People don't realize like that is also going to help you. So it's really just treating your whole body and kind of tweaking things so you feel good overall.
See, I feel like that's setting like the bar there apart from some places that you can just come in, they'll give you whatever you want, you tell them what you want, they're going to do it. This is some place that's going to really evaluate things that make sense for you to keep you safe. I love that. I'm not going to have anybody, coming out of here just, and like you were saying, people worried about looking like celebrities. I think some places are really cool with giving people as many fillers as they want until they look disfigured. And I feel like having some place that's responsible that can say, maybe let's hold off right now and see how this looks in a few days, because it changes too, right, as it settles.
Yes. So I always say, whenever you come in and get treatment, so you can get your free consult and then you can get treatment that day, or you can go home, think about it, talk to your husband, budget it, and come back. But it always takes about 2 weeks to kick in. So Botox, Dysport, Daxi, they're all neuromodulators. So they're just different forms of it. We always say give it 2 full weeks. So it may kick in within 24 hours. So I just had Daxi yesterday. I had full movement and it hasn't been a full 24 hours. And I'm smooth.
Very smooth.
Great.
Yeah. So, but I always tell people, give it the full 2 weeks, because as it settles, everything will change. Same thing with filler. You may leave here and results are immediate, but as it settles and integrates with your own tissue, it'll look even better. It'll calm down. You may be a little swollen for a couple of days, but everything will look its best in 2 weeks. And I think that's the biggest thing with filler. I have turned people away. It's just about replacing volume loss to look really good. Yes, I'm wearing makeup today, but I don't typically wear makeup because I have a 1 and 3 year old. So I always say you want to have the right skincare, Botox, filler, all the things, so you can wake up and as a woman not feel like you have to put makeup on. You just can roll out the door.
Right. And not scare everyone. Like me.
Jackie's known for that. That's why Halloween's her favorite season.
I mean, these are all facts here.
Maybe we can change that.
I think we are going to change that. We're going to talk to Amanda and some of her coworkers here. We're going to see what's going on. Why don't we take a look at some more places around here. If you've stayed with us
Sounds
this
good.
long,
Yeah.
take a
Yeah,
look.
beautiful waiting room.
Yeah.
When you walk in, this building's brand new here. You had this whole place remodeled, right? Didn't you?
Yes. So when I came in, it was literally just dirt on the ground. This whole place has been reconstructed and everything. So it's really cool because it's been built from the bottom up.
All right.
Looks beautiful.
And we're still working on things. So, every day.
And these are the products Gio's showing you guys a little bit of that, of what we had mentioned.
Yeah. So these are the Elastin products. And there's all different kinds for this, for dry skin, oily skin, cystic acne, brown spots, redness. And then these are the ZO products. And again, there's just a whole different assortment of different combinations that we can put you on. I have a lot of people that message me on Instagram. The best thing is really do not send me photos. Come in for a consult. I cannot tell what's going on with your face through a picture. Like I really have to know what's going on, what you're eating, what's your stress level, like where are your hormones at, all of that accounts for it.
Awesome. All right. So we're going to take a look through the rest of the shop. We'll take some pictures. We'll share them with you on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and come check out ProMD Health here at 2023 Emmorton Road in Bel Air.
Cobblestone building.
Yeah,
People
it's a
still-
beautiful place.
Did you find it okay?
Yes.
We did.
Yeah.
And I've got pictures too. I'm going to help people kind of find it through, our pictures.
People are still struggling.
Put a
to
little
find it
arrow, and
sometimes.
Gio
Yes.
makes a really cool, was it Google Maps you use to kind of edit like the pictures?
Yep.
to
We'll
give
zoom
a little
them
map.
in. We'll let you know exactly where to
Ooh,
land.
that's pretty comfy. What's this?
All right.
You want to walk in? So these are the different treatment rooms. Like I said, it is tailored for men and women. Typically, you sit down, you come in, we show you the mirror, we talk about what's going on. I will say what brings you in today. Tell me what bothers you.
All of this.
Yep.
Yes.
So with him, we would just start with everything.
Yeah, like a paper bag, maybe.
Oh, yeah, that mirror is very clear.
Oh my God. I'm amazed it didn't break.
Oh, you.
I'm sorry.
This
That's
guy.
terrible.
This guy. It's all right. It's all
One
right.
biggest
Wait,
thing is we do always take before photos, and people are always like, don't post them. We do not post them. It is for our record. So in case anytime it comes up and they're like, I didn't have this before, we can go back to them and say, well, no, you did, or no, you didn't, or we need to fix something. It's only if you sign something that you can be on social media.
All right.
And we definitely want to share some of those pictures that people don't mind if we
Yes.
can have some of those before and afters. And you might see other people, in before and after photos in the coming months. We may or may not be the guinea pigs for you
I love this.
to come in and, because you guys have seen us a million times. So what we look like, things are starting to get a little crazy up here for the Jackie O, and I'm not going to throw him under the bus, but the bus
These
might
are
have hit him.
distinguishment lines, I think.
Experience.
Experience
we have lines of
lines,
experience.
yes.
We've been at this 4 years already.
Almost.
But not
yeah.
from your wife or children.
No.
They're so
They
calm.
are saints, and she's incredibly patient. Yes.
His wife is a saint. I'll give him that. And my children are just angels. So I don't know. This must be WBEL AIR, guys. I don't know.
Yeah.
Working. I was gonna say
It's
working
working with me.
working with Gio.
Pretty much.
So yeah, that I could see that. So how many treatment rooms are there?
Oh gosh.
Lots.
I have.
You don't have to show us all of them, but how many do we have here?
So I have 6 treatment rooms on this side, and this is all like aesthetics, Botox, fillers, weight loss. And then if you come down here, this is the
I stole the mirror.
esthetician. So this is for facials, dermaplaning, microdermabrasion, waxing, peels. So my esthetician, it's actually her birthday today.
Happy
Paige.
birthday,
She's
Paige.
in Nashville celebrating,
Ooh.
living her best life.
Be responsible, Paige.
Yeah.
One thing I really like about Paige, our esthetician, is you not only come in, you get a facial, but you get like a full experience. We have like the warm gloves. She gets she does a little shoulder massage. She puts a nice mask on at the end. So it really is a nice experience, especially if you're a husband looking for a gift for your wife.
I will say facials,
Bonus
they are
points.
my favorite. I like, especially with the warm gloves, like you said, that just elevates the whole experience, honestly.
And I think people don't realize like what a facial is. They think they're coming in and just getting like a rub down or
Like a face massage.
Like they actually go in, she'll extract, she'll get blackheads out, pores, help with your fine lines because she'll use a hydrator on your skin. She'll get all the peach fuzz out. So my favorite is the dermaplaning, which she'll take a scalpel and literally take all like the dead skin and like little peach hairs off.
Sign me up.
I was gonna say, I'll do that. I'll try that first.
And then next door is our hydrofacial machine. And that is like a really big famous, it helps hydrate your skin helps brighten, helps with pores, fine lines. It's got like a whole package and it feels really good and makes your face.
Hydro, they just hose you off in there?
Basically, yeah. Hold you down.
Just waterboard.
Waterboard.
I like it.
It's done by Navy SEALs.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why did my brain picture seals? Forget it. All right. This is what we do. There's
No seals.
there are
No seals.
seals.
No animals have been hurt in the production of this video.
Help us. All right.
All
So
right.
this is a lot of really good information. If you guys have questions, maybe you're afraid to comment them, you don't want to like let anybody know that like you're curious or whatever, you can always send messages to us or directly here. We'll have the website up just above this video, and we will also, you have a Facebook page, right? We can follow.
I do. We have a Facebook and an Instagram, and then one of our, because I feel like med spas are becoming kind of saturated and everyone's getting into it. We offer Botox. The first 20 units at $149. That's $745 a unit, and every addition is $12 a unit. So we're very, very cheap. We have Botox banks, and we have a free rewards and referral program.
We're going to put her on the spot with our usual.
And which phone number?
410
410
803-6885. Nailed it.
Discount.
410.
803-6885.
Good job.
And so we always do this. We always put everybody
We
on the
do.
spot. If somebody from WBEL Air TV land were to be watching this video and they'd see you and they said, hey, I want to get a consult or come in or buy a package or something, anything you can offer for WBEL Air TV viewers?
Yes. Why don't we do, how about if you buy, let's do 20% off.
Okay.
That's a
I
pretty
love
good
that.
deal. And bonus, if you do that and you wouldn't mind sharing with us your before and after pictures and just giving her the okay to do so, we would love to feature our viewers and show people what real, this isn't a commercial. This is real people in Bel Air, in our town, having this experience, telling us what you think about this place. These people are wonderful ladies. All of them always smiling and happy to see us. We love them. So tell us what you think. Give us your before and afters, and maybe you'll encourage somebody else to feel their best too.
And if you let them, I'll give you an extra $50 off. Because I feel like that's the biggest thing in this industry. No one wants to post the before and afters, but I'm like, that's how we get more people out.
Yeah.
Is when I can post like what you look like
Yeah,
before and
actually
after.
show the results of your
Yes.
work. All right.
Absolutely, yeah, because you could do all day. You could get pictures of models and people that have done things, but when it's real and raw, that's what we do here.
That's it.
And my specialty is the under eyes.
All right.
So like the hollowness, dark
I'm
circles,
here.
I got you.
For it.
Yeah.
Here for
Hold
it.
on, let's see.
I haven't
Maybe
slept in
this is my
years.
before.
I look like the lady who bounced off the back of the Titanic. It's been 84 years since I've slept. So, okay, stay tuned because we're going to have a lot more here with ProMD, right? And what's the website?
www.promdhealth.com. When you go on there, we just have a big general page, but then you can scroll down and see our different locations, and the Bel Air page is on there.
And you own several of these, don't you?
I just own one.
Own one.
This is my first. I was a provider for 6 years in the Timonium office. I was a full-time provider there. Dr. George Gavrilla owns that location,
Okay.
amongst several other locations. But this is my first one.
All right.
I've been open 3 months.
Well, congratulations.
No
And
stress at all.
thank you
And
for
you own
choosing
the
Bel
place. Wait,
Air.
but you own the place, but you also have another title. So what is your, you're a medical professional.
So I was a nurse, went back to school for a PA. So I'm a nurse, a PA. I inject,
Yeah,
and then I also own it.
you're in great hands here.
Yeah.
Good.
We love to have a good time.
Yeah, you guys do. Great
right.
atmosphere. All
So
right, guys.
Come check them out. ProMD Health. Once again, that's 2023, just like the year. So you know what time it is. It's time to come visit ProMD Health at Bel Air and follow us for some changes.
Yeah, for more stuff. And also let us know. Don't forget, you got to send us the pictures, okay? Bye, guys.
Bye.